Hello, this is JavaScript. I'm about to explain to you what JavaScript really is. So as you can see, this is the definition of the JavaScript. The JavaScript syntax consists of JavaScript statements that are placed within the script. The HTML tags in a web page. You can place the script tag wherever you like, but this is the head of the JavaScript syntax. As you can see, this is what you need to write for a JavaScript code. Next is the JavaScript tag. It takes two important attributes, the language and the type. The language, this attribute is specified as scripting language, while the type is this attribute now recommend to indicate the scripting language. So your Java segment will look like this. Script language, JavaScript, for you to write a code. So as you can see, we'll write first how to print out hello world. I might say that you might find it hard, but I will explain, so don't worry. This is basically the basic code to write or to print out hello world. As you can see, this is the head, this is the body, and this is the ending code for you to write a program. This is the ending code for you to write a program. So when you all write it down on your code, we will basically display the following result, which is hello world. So basically that is all what I want to explain for now. So that concludes the basic JavaScript programming. Thank you for watching JavaScript tutorial, and please don't ask questions. Thank you for watching. So basically, this is a C shell, Hamilton C shell command prompt. Starting, Hamilton C shell is just a simple double click the icon. After initial greeting, you see this prompt. The 1% of C prompts to tell you the C shell will remember what you type as command number 1, and that's your current drive. When it starts, current directory is home directory. Typically, this is what you have read. It reports the current directory. By typing this, it will report your current directory. Basically, this is a very old programming language, so you might find it hard to learn. Naturally, you can change your prompt to be anything you like. For example, to get a prompt that looks like what we get it from cmd.x by writing this code. This works by taking the value of the CWD. This is the current working directory. It lists all the Boolean variables, and procedures are given in later sections. To set it back, you have to type this in your programming code by 4% of C. Next is the basic statements. Generally speaking, whatever commands you might have typed into cmd.x, it will still work in here. Even the internal cmd.x function like this works. By typing this, it will work. Now Windows 7 serial number. It's a very old language, so basically this is used for the software of the computer, of the program. This directory of C users Hamilton. The contacts, the stop, documents, download, favorites, links. What you might notice is it is basically the icons, the applications of the following windows. We have the contacts, documents, etc. If the command you type refers to a CMD batch file or a CMDX internal function, Hamilton C shell passes it to a child process running cmd.x for evaluation. Everything else is evaluated directly by Hamilton C shell. For example, if you type the name of an X file, the appropriate create process call, Windows kernel, to start the program will be done directly by Hamilton CSHA. A bitmap hash mechanism is used when you type in a program. Naturally, if you type a program that doesn't complaints. By being more than merely a wrapper around an existing command processor, several advantages are created. 1. Performance under threat. This is the customizing for screen colors. So basically that is all for now. Thank you for watching. I'm very sorry that this is all I have got right now.